we got to know a lot of things about, as a future pharmacist, what things need to be done in the pharmaceutical industries. The sessions were really informative and we got to learn a lot from them.
We get to learn a lot about the pharmacy industry because I'm in 4th year, so these all things we read in theory, we never have experienced them to speak with a speaker who is such prominent.
Specifically talking about poster competition, that it was really good, and by attending the live session, which was very much knowledge enriching, as different participants have different kind of the topic, so I came to know about so many new things.
Like very much is the patent technical session, and the other technical session was of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am very much glad that I have attended this event. And
initially, I didn't have much high expectations and I didn't knew what I was going to do. But I was excited. I learned how to coordinate with my colleagues. I made some new friends. I made a lot of memories. I learned how to coordinate. I learned how to interact with people and how to convince them and convey your feelings and your thoughts and in a verbal manner.
We can learn many things and apply them in a professional life whenever we will go to industry or academia or anywhere else, wherever we will go. So it will be of great help.
PharmaNature 2.0 have given me a wide platform to showcase my talent and improve my skills. It has given me an opportunity to improve my writing skills, my speaking skills, and my creativity skills.
I got to learn a lot from these online sessions. As we all know, that learning is a never-ending process, and the amount of knowledge that I've gained from these online sessions is immensely huge and will be definitely useful for me in my near future.
One more important thing I learned from these competitions was building self-confidence.
Even the topic selection for all the events were really interesting and weird. It was new and recent because it is said that continuous learning is very important, particularly for academicians. It is such a great opportunity to be a part of such a competition, and the conduction of all the events was such in a smooth manner. Even the queries which we posted, it was immediately responded. The response was so instant. They updated us through mail and messages. So that was a great thing because we are always informed priorly that how and at what time the event is to be conducted. The topic selection for sessions were also nice because it was of recent topic. So overall, telling that what I have been through is I have explored and learned new topics in this event. That I'm definitely looking forward to again participate in such events.
This has helped people to gain knowledge as well as explore and provide their own knowledge and share with the others. During this course of event, I have learned a good communication skill and helped me connecting with the people and make good connections. Working with them has also taught me certain leadership qualities, how to take responsibilities, and also how to work in a group, having a good teamwork and be a good leader.
Yes, I felt that each and every day learning is very much important, not for attempting this, but improving our knowledge to shape up our career in a better way.
Our aim through this event was to provide an opportunity for active learning experience and exposure to the budding pharmacist, to the professionals. Has been beneficial to me in a lot many ways. Well, of course, it has helped me to gain knowledge from the webinars they have conducted, but also taught me about professionalism, teamwork, and time management. This was my very first experience with OPF, and I'm so happy and proud to be the part of it. I got to engage with a number of personnel, which helped me build the communication skill and connections.
It made me realize that I have the potential in me to do better and that I should work on my skills.
Good and also very informative and knowledgeable, which helpful.
And it was a very wonderful session. And the judges which are there in that time are very fair.
This program was well organized, and the organizers are communicated frequently by mail to all the participants. I am very happy to participate in this event.
This platform gave us an opportunity to scale up our communication and presentation skills. Such competitions were in need of an hour because everyone's at home sitting idle. This competition boosted them to research for few points which they can present. It was like a brainstorming session for all of us. As it was my first international event, I was overwhelmed completely with each and every activity in which I participated. I got really very unique and great experience to participate in Pharmanesia.